Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our very first class on this series, which is the SQL series. And for us to kickstart our class, we are going to do a short video on how two ways to create a database. I know there are many ways, but these two ways I use almost all the time whenever I'm working with a new database or whenever I have need to create a new database. Number one is going I using this principle, I assume that you have installed my SQL, you have it already running in your computer. Now I will go to the top corner, very close to the query icon, here that you have the database. Then I will click on it. Don't forget I told you that we have two ways to create database. This is the first option I use. I can call it trade in order to distinct it from other database that I have. Then I'll click on apply, then I click on apply again, then I finish, then I go back to my database schema icon, I refresh it, then let's see if we have trade as a database. Now you can see that we have trade as one of our database, which is somewhere at the bottom here. Okay, now we can see that the trade database is empty with provision for table. We have provision for table views, store procedures and function. Next, we are going to explore another way to create database, which is creating it direct without going through the long process. It's as simple as typing create. Okay, we now type database, then the name of the database. For instance, we want to keep to the trade naming convention. We can say trade 2, sorry, trade underscore 2, so that we can understand easily. Then we put a semicolon. Let's run it and see if it works. Let's refresh it. Let's go back. Now we see that we have trade underscore 2 as another database. So these are the two ways I normally create database if I'm to work with it, or if I'm to create a table, a new database that I want to work if I have a new project. So please do well to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Like I promised, we have a lot of ideas that is coming. Next, I'm going to teach us how we can create tables. I want to take us from the very basis of the steps so that we won't be confused by the time we get to more advanced stuff in SQL. So thank you for always supporting us. Thank you for the subscription, and please do well to share, like, and subscribe. Next class, we'll be looking at how to create tables and how to insert values into tables.